Okay, I'm going to do the second exercise on Microsoft Azure. Let's create workspace and call it exercise 2. Okay, exercise number 2 is created. Okay, next step we go to create, and we create a Lakehouse. Let's call it exercise 2 Lakehouse. Okay, create. Okay, exercise 2 Lakehouse has been created. Now we need to upload files needed for this exercise. We go to files, we do upload files. Okay, I have downloaded these files from GitHub as instructed in exercise, and I am opening them and telling to upload. We can put this, but that's not needed. Okay, the files have been uploaded. Okay, our next step is to create notebook. We go to create, and this is notebook. Notebook 1. Okay. Okay, this is predefined notebook with PySpark, Python. These are other options which can be available. I believe these are the type of code for the cell. Plus code, we can create HTML for this code, and we can add more code, and we can do Spark SQL here. So each cell can have the code of its own type. Okay, I have put some code in various boxes here. I print one here, title. Let's run and see what it's going to make. Well, it has taken 11 seconds to print one, and it has taken 2 seconds to output HTML title. How long will it take to select something by SQL? Okay, it has taken 1 second to select single value. So again, this is Python code, this is HTML code, this is pure SQL code. And I haven't tried Scala and R. Okay, now we do this. We open Lakehouse. Okay, here we open notebook, existing notebook, and we take notebook 2. Open. Okay, so we have now a Lakehouse and files, but okay, I did one thing wrong. I had to create subfolder orders. Create subfolder. Now orders. Now we do upload files. We take files. Okay, files were uploaded. Now these files here should be deleted. Okay, now we have files in the folder. No, I have deleted files in the wrong place. Delete, 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 and we click others. We do upload. Files. Okay. Have uploaded files. Now we have nothing here. We have 3 files here. Now we are under notebook and we see folder others, and we see 3 files under this folder others. This is our notebook, somewhat compressed though. Okay, that's better. Lakehouse, files others, and here we have our files. Okay, here we have PySpark cell. We place code into it. The code consists of Spark, read, format CSV, option, header true, load, files, others. Okay, let's see what it does. 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, it has taken it 21 seconds to load one file. Let's compress this. So we have data frame displayed with the contents of these others. Okay, this first attempt was to open CSV file with headers true, and it seems that the file doesn't have headers. So the next attempt is to load the file with headers false. Now it created some strange headers, C0, C1, C8, but it read all the lines as data. There are no headers. The next part of the exercise would be to read the data with proper column metadata. Okay, this is the code which should read the file with appropriate schema or metadata. Let's run it. Okay, we have run this this code, and it has created data table with properly named columns and proper types. This is string, this is number, this is date, I believe, or it can give some statistics on it. Right here, ML string quantity is always 1. Do we have anything else? There should be some more columns. But okay. We can scroll here. This is float column, this is float column, integer column, and 2 string columns. Okay. Okay, let's complete video at this point, and there will be a second part with more steps. We will read other files into one data frame, and we will do some calculations on top of them in the next part.